Good morning students. Today we discuss about the 11th accountancy. So in this morning video we start a new chapter, that is conceptual framework of accounting, lesson number 2. So in this chapter we discuss the various topics one by one. First, bookkeeping, that is meaning of a bookkeeping. First we discuss. So bookkeeping is the process. Bookkeeping is the process of recording financial transaction in the books of accounts. It is the primary stage in accounting process. It includes recording the transaction and classifying the same under proper heads. Bookkeeping work is of routine nature. Transactions may be recorded in the accounting notebooks and ledger, or may be recorded in a computer. So bookkeeping means it is one of the process of recording all the financial transaction in the books of accounts. So whatever the financial transactions are done in the business, that should be properly recorded in the books of accounts. That books of accounts is called as a bookkeeping. It is the first initial stage of accounting process. And also it should record all the transactions, whether it may be cash transaction or credit transaction, and also classifying the same under various proper heads. And it is a routine nature. Bookkeeping work is one of the routine nature, and the transaction may be recorded in the accounting notebooks, and ledger will be prepared in the computer. So bookkeeping is an art of recording business dealings in a set of books. So bookkeeping is one of the recording of all business dealings in wealth manner, in financial manner, in the set of books. Aaron Carter says, bookkeeping is the science and art of recording correctly in the books of accounts all those business transactions of money or money's worth. So bookkeeping is one of the process of correctly recording all the business transactions, whether it may be related to money or money's worth. Features of bookkeeping. It is a process of recording transaction in the books of accounts, and then it is a monetary transaction only recorded in the books of accounts. So in the bookkeeping, only monetary transaction will be recorded. Bookkeeping is the primary stage in the accounting process, and bookkeeping include journalizing and ledger posting. So these are the 4 important features of bookkeeping. Objectives of bookkeeping point of view: to have a complete and permanent record of all business transactions in chronological order and under appropriate headings. So bookkeeping is one of the record which maintain permanently and completely of all the business transaction in a systematic manner under proper headings, to facilitate ascertainment of the profit or loss of the business during a specified period. So this bookkeeping will help the business people to find out the profit or loss during a specified period of time in the business, to facilitate the ascertainment of financial position, and also to find out the financial position of the business concern. This bookkeeping will helps to know the progress of the business, now to know the development of the business, in order to know the growth of the business. The bookkeeping will help the business people, because of all the financial transactions are to be recorded in systematic manner. To find out the tax liabilities, in order to find out the tax payment of amount, we can easily find out with the help of the bookkeeping records. To fulfill the legal requirements, so all legal requirements are to be fulfilled with the help of the bookkeeping recording of all business transactions. Next, advantage of bookkeeping. There are some advantage of bookkeeping maintenance in the books of accounts in the business organization. Number 1, transactions are recorded systematically in chronological order in the books of accounts. Thus, bookkeeping provides a permanent and reliable record for all business transactions. So bookkeeping will record all the business transactions, business financial transactions in a systematic manner. So it is one of the permanent record and also a valuable record for business purposes. Bookkeeping is useful to get the financial information. So all the financial information will be collected with the help of the bookkeeping records. So what all the financial transactions are done in the business, that should be recorded systematically in bookkeeping, and bookkeeping will help to find out the financial information of the business. It helps to have control over various business activities. So this record keeping will also help business people to control the business, various business activities, in which area lacking in the business, in which area development is more, we can easily find out by way of recording of a business transaction in the bookkeeping. Records provided by business serve as legal evidence in case of any dispute, in case of any settlement time or any legal aspect. This record keeping is best for the business people because of records provided by the business. It is serve as a legal evidence for any aspect. Comparison of financial information over the year is also possible because of we are recording the bookkeeping systematically, and we can able to prepare trading profit loss account and balance sheet of the business concern. With the help of preparing the financial statement, we can analyze the business with other business, and we can easily find out the growth, and also we can easily find out the position of the business in the society. So comparison is possible while recording of business transaction properly in the business. Bookkeeping is useful to find out the tax liability. In order to find out the tax liability, bookkeeping records is very useful one. Next, disadvantage of bookkeeping. There are some disadvantages of bookkeeping are there. That is drawbacks of bookkeeping. Drawbacks of bookkeeping. That is only monetary transactions are recorded in the books of accounts. That is only financial transactions are to be recorded. No other transactions should be recorded in the bookkeeping. The effect of price level changes are not considered. If any price changes suddenly means it will not give effect in recording of business transactions. So financial data recorded are historical nature. That is only past data are recorded. So all the financial data recorded in the bookkeeping will be a historical basis. So the past recording will be followed in the business aspect. Then difference between bookkeeping and accounting. So there are some difference between bookkeeping and accounting. So on the basis of scope, in the case of bookkeeping, it is concerned with the recording and classifying the business transactions. So bookkeeping is only the recording of transaction and classify the transaction. That work is enough in the case of bookkeeping. But accounting, it is concerned with the recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing and interpreting the financial data. So all the financial data are classified, summarized, analyzed and interpreted with the help of the bookkeeping. Stages. Bookkeeping is the primary stage in accounting. It is the base of accounting. Apart from the primary stage, accounting work is the secondary one. So accounting work is secondary stage of analyzing and interpretation. Nature of job. Bookkeeping is a routine and clerical nature, but the accounting is analytical one nature. Knowledge required. While maintaining the bookkeeping, it requires basic knowledge of the principles of journalizing and posting is enough to maintain the journal and posting of ledger. But in case of accounting, it requires thorough knowledge of accounting principles, procedures and practices. Because of only an efficient person will maintain the accounting records. But a bookkeeping record is a simple one. Still, skill required. Analytical skill is not required for bookkeeping. because of bookkeeping is the primary stage. Just a person can know about the journal and ledger posting. It is enough to maintain the bookkeeping. But for accounting work, it requires analytical skill. So various skill possessed by the person to maintain the accounting work. So these are the some of the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. So with that we conclude this video. Students, you can go through all the topics which are taught in this video: meaning, definition, features, objectives, advantages and limitation of bookkeeping, and the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. All the topics are related to 2 mark, 3 mark, 5 mark questions. So you can read and write in your accounts assignment notebook, long says unruled notebook. Write the lesson topic and then write all the topics with the answers. Keep the notebook safely and bring it on school reopening day without fail, and send the task complete message in the group. Thank you.